Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online. It is free and available worldwide. A perfect side hustle for people that are working from home. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to share with you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your performance and maybe earn more money. So, to earn passive revenue, make sure to watch the video and apply the steps presented. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. So, userfeel.com is the first app on our list. And you know how people often tell you to keep your opinions to yourself? These apps, on the other hand, will compensate you for sharing your ideas, which will be quite valuable to many businesses. So, Userfeel is a user testing website, and if a company or a brand wants to launch a website or an app, they'll ask you questions like, "What do you think of our website?" You simply browse the website. For example, if you're browsing this one, you simply notify them. Like, "Hey, I like the typeface, but I'm not fond of the colors, and I'm not fond of this button. You should alter the button as well as the colors because blue makes no sense." Simply offer them your honest opinion about their website, and they'll pay you up to $60 every user test that lasts between 5 and 10 minutes. So for 5 to 10 minutes, navigate through a website or an app on your smartphone device from anywhere in the planet. You may earn anywhere from $10 to $60, which is amazing. And if you use all of 4 programs that I'm about to share with you in this video, you'll be able to maximize your results and get the most money. Because if you only focus on one, you won't know what you're losing out on. The issue is that they aren't going to be consistent. If you sign up for Userfeel, for example, you might only get one test each week, which isn't ideal because it costs $50 to $60 per week. You're maximizing your results and earning a fair chunk of money if you have 4 unique applications that pay you every week. Obviously, it will not replace your full-time job, but it is a very easy and simple way to begin making money online, which you can then reinvest into a real online business that will allow you to do the things you want to do, travel, or spend your money on whatever you want. Anyway, this is userfeel.com, and you'll need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website and then click on Get Paid to Test right over here, which will take you to this page where you'll need to sign up by entering your first name, last name, email address, and selecting a country, which, as you can see, they accept all of the countries on the list. So now all you have to do is pick your country and you're ready to go. You will select your birth date and you must be at least 16 or 17 years old to do so. After that, you'll need to create an account password. You must decide how you want to be reimbursed in this circumstance. You know, PayPal is the only option at the moment when I'm filming this, so you'll have to choose individuals and then enter your PayPal email address so they can send you money via PayPal as soon as you finish those users. Then you'll choose your device, and if you want the greatest outcomes, I strongly suggest you to choose a variety of devices because they'll notice. He does, after all, have an Android phone, an iPhone, and a tablet. Let's give them more tests because the more devices you have, the faster you'll be able to finish them. And the faster you finish them, the more money you'll be able to make with userfeel.com. So scroll down and apply. Signing up for the platform is simple and quick. It takes roughly 3 minutes. The next program you can utilize is user testing, which is the second of 4 that we provide. It can be accessed at usertesting.com. You may also go to be paid to test here and there, where you can see that you can make anywhere from $10 to $20, $20 or $30 every completed test, with some tests going up to $120. But that's incredibly unusual, and I've never heard of someone on user testing making more than $100 each test. So I believe this is just like maybe yours for someone, but it's incredibly rare. But even if you're paid $10 to $30 for a 5 to 20 minute exam, it's still a great deal because you're literally simply visiting a website and earning money. So, for example, right now I'm sitting on a balcony, the weather is lovely, it's sunny, and I can just pull up my laptop and say, this is a website I need to review. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. I can just go through everything and talk into my laptop's built-in microphone. You'll need a microphone for this, but you probably already have one on your phone. You probably have a microphone built into your laptop, but if not, you can just get one up for under $10 on Amazon or somewhere similar. Plug it in and start talking. They don't need a high-quality microphone, and it doesn't matter if they're not recording. All they want is your honest opinion. So I'd go through this and tell them things like, hey, I don't really like this section, so I'd improve it. Or, I changed the font on this part. Or, I'll change this image. If it doesn't really symbolize anything, I'd tell them things like, I don't like these icons. Hey, I really like what you did here. Please keep doing it. Or, I really like the buttons. I really like the colors, I really like the design, and everything else. If you like everything. Simply express your honest view, and they will thank you and compensate you for it. You're assisting them in shaping the future of the brand and the firm. Userbrain.com is a third app that you can use. This is a sales page for the major companies and corporations that partner with them, such as Amazon, Virgin, Spotify, Porsche Audio, Shopify, and so on. So these major organizations employ user testing tools because they want to improve and they need honest feedback from regular people like you and me to tell them what they need to improve on without the need for professionals or anything. They simply need a random person to tell them what they think of the platform. Userlytics, which can be accessed at userlytics.com, is the final app on our list. This is probably the cheapest platform, but I enjoy it because they constantly have a variety of tests. They'll send you tests on a regular basis, with Userlytics likely sending you the most. They will not pay you as much as Userfeel, $60 each test, but they will be much more frequent. So if you think about it and do the arithmetic, you can make around the same amount of money with both Userfeel and Userlytics.com. So scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. You'll be able to sign up by supplying some basic information about yourself after clicking on Be Paid to participate. After that, you can start testing other websites and earn up to $20 for each test you complete. Some of them spend as much as $90 for the pleasure of expressing themselves while surfing the web, but that's unusual. So expect to pay anywhere from $10 to $20 every exam that you complete from the comfort of your own home, balcony, or anywhere in the planet. Again, use these apps in your spare time to make some extra cash online by purchasing push notifications ad, native ads, or investing on a faceless YouTube channel that could potentially replace your full-time job or any other online firm that can pay you a lot more. Naturally, you should not do this full-time. It will not replace your full-time job or give you with life-changing cash, but it is extremely simple and basic. It doesn't take long. All of these tests take approximately 5 to 10 minutes to complete, so you may perform them while using the restroom. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online. It is free and available worldwide. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.